Hi guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Honestly, to be honest with you, I've been working so much that all I've been doing is buying food, working, and filming mukbang videos besides my one Halloween video. I got a virgin strawberry margarita. So, all my videos I've been filming recently, guys, are mukbangs, and that feels like that's all I'm doing right now. Is mukbang videos. That's good. But it's just funny, this is all I'm filming. You know, just a good old-fashioned mukbang. Let's see, how much was my food? Receipts are wet, never mind. But good thing they gave me napkins. The restaurant didn't give me any napkins. I was really pissed off about that. Ooh. We got the sour cream. We got the guacamole. We got the good stuff to put on here. Fun fact, guys, I actually did this mukbang eating this food in another video, but I don't know if I'm posting it because it just didn't want to work out. Oh my god, there's green onions on here. It looks so good. I love this. Ooh. This looks so yummy. I need to pose for a thumbnail first though. Well, I can't wait to dive in, guys. There's green onions on here. It looks so good. I got the nachos. This is good. And I did not want black olives last time either. I'm gonna put black olives on it. And this time they didn't. And I forgot to ask them not to. Yay! Get that sour cream on here. I'm gonna add the sour cream and the guacamole. Mix all of this up. We can all use some good sour cream. Makes the food so much better, so much more healthier. It gives you like good karma. You like have no carbs. Like it's just really good to eat a lot of sour cream, you know? It's just like all good vibes. No diabetes or any of that. But honestly, it's just really good. Look at all this food. My sisters are peeking in. She's like, I want some of your food too. Look at this. I might be a little overexposed, but I look good. The food's overexposed. Sorry, guys. I just farted on camera. This is so good. Oh my god. I just love food. Work hard, eat hard. It's so yummy. It's so good. This is really good, guys. This is so good. I love this. Gotta get that virgin strawberry margarita. Virgin Mary! It's so good. This is good, guys. I'm taking a break from watching American Horror Story because I've just been binge watching it too much. But I'm waiting to get the new season of The Good Witch. I can't wait to watch that. Also watching Shane's new series, The Dark Mind, or the Jake Paul series. Seeing if he's really a sociopath or not. I don't know if I'm a sociopath looking at my food, like I'm starving, like That's so good. Yum. Got that guacamole. So if you see another hand, it's my sister getting food too. Don't slap a high priestess. I don't know why they put green onions in here, but I'm happy about it. I gotta fart again. Why do I have to fart? No.
I'm gassy. I fart in the car when Dad drops me off at school.
Well, that's what my sister does. I love eating food! It's like, who doesn't? Honestly. It's like, what am I gonna eat after work? Look at all this cheese.
Great.
God, I love some good food. Okay guys, I'm feeling really bitchy right now. Like I just want to eat my food and not be on camera. So I hope you enjoyed my little short mukbang. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below. So one day I can get monetized, have some coin again, because I don't have enough views. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys then. Blessed be. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and God's next says holy light, may you be rejuvenated, so mote it be.